Good morning. It's, what time is it? I don't even know what time it is. It's, nope, that's not on my watch either. 7:20 in the morning. Me and Foxy got up at about 25 to 6. So it's not too bad this morning. He did initially try and get up at 4 and I was like, absolutely not, let's go back to sleep. And so he went back to sleep. And he was just chatting rubbish this morning.
I think he said hi.
Mika's here. Ari's getting dressed and Foxy is playing with his toys in his bedroom. Today is the day my puppy is coming. My friend's name is Kay and I call her my puppy and she calls me Pookie. So she's Auntie Puppy for the kids. And it was very difficult because I always call her by her full name, like her first and second name. I always have done. And I introduce her to people by her first and second name. And since she's been married for like 7 years now, I add on her last name as well when I like talk to her. Like even when I'm with her, I'll always have done. So it was very difficult then just to say her name is Kay, because obviously I don't want to give you lot her entire name. But it's very difficult. Like the kids know what her name, you know what mummy calls her, don't you? Yeah, because I've just literally always called her it. So I'm going to struggle, I think, a little bit for the next few days to not call her whole name when the camera's on, because I don't want to tell you guys. I straightened my hair this morning, done my makeup.
It's going to rain.
No, Mika knows that
it's going to rain.
It always rains when mummy straightens her hair. Always, which is annoying as buttholes. Yeah, we're basically ready to go today, aren't we? We just need to do Ari's hair.
And my shoes.
Ips is ready. So, here, oh, fish fart's ready.
Hey! Socks.
Socks. There's some socks on the bed actually, Ari.
Samantha.
Samantha. Right, Ari's going to get some socks. I'm going to do her hair and then we're going to get ready to go. Hey, it's 9:28. I'm just back from the school run and I am now going to try and blitz the house. Just downstairs. Upstairs is fine. There's no mess upstairs, so I'm happy with that. I just need to get on it and do down here. So there's not a lot to do. It's just mostly tidying up toys. Like Foxy's got all of his toys all over there. There's a cat. I just need my throws put back on the sofa. There's no washing up or anything to be done. I've got all my diaries there that I need to put away. A little bit of food to put away and then just some mugs in there. So there's not loads to do, but that is what my plan is now. Then I've got to pick Fox up at 11:45 and then I've got to drive to go and get my friend to meet her for 1 and then get back here to pick the girls up at 3. So it's like challenge Annika today, but challenge Lucy. So we shall see how it goes. She's here. She's here! So everybody, this is KPH. That's what we've decided. KPH, because I can't just call you K, it's weird.
Puppy.
Or Puppy, yeah. And then Foxy's there in the back with Benjin. Benjin's behind me. I see you, sausage. What are you doing, Angel Boy? He loves the camera. Who's
Who's in that one? That's Ari.
Yeah, and then Mika's in the boot. We're gonna go get your sisters?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Potato.
You're a Tato. Hey, Kay's here. It's 7:15. She's just now putting her little boy to bed. All mine are in bed. Fox went like an hour ago, and then the girls have just gone now. We've just had a bowl of cabbage roll in a bowl, and she loved it. I knew she would. She loves food like me. She's not fussy. So, and we just had that. I made some cookie dough for us to try. I've got white chocolate sprinkles. You're welcome. And dark chocolate orange. The girls had a little bit tonight for their treat. Oh, someone's bin. I wonder what I could hear if it was the thunder. It's somebody putting their bin out. So yeah, we are now gonna watch some telly and shoot the shit, and yeah, just catch up. I'm very, very excited, and tomorrow I think she's gonna wax my legs, so prepare yourselves for that because it's gonna be amazing and painful for me. Thanks for watching. I made the living room all snuggly and nice. Yay! And I'll see you tomorrow. Love you, bye.